Everyone, you see my YouTube channel. Today my topic this RAV4 car, new car and spare parts. Check this new car and all spare parts for RAV4. This 2024 model mountain engine. Check, everyone, is new 2024 model engine mountain. This one jump in, you see this one jump in 2024 model jump in. Everyone, you see on this jump in for front side jump in. Ling rod, this one ling rod. Check, same steering rod, same steering ling rod. Throttle body, this one throttle body. Check, same manifold coming. ABS, this is a different number coming for ABS. Check, this one ABS, this is a different number coming for car. This one ABS. Check, Bolgen, you check, you see this Bolgen. Every car coming this one Bolgen. Toyota car, every Toyota car coming this Bolgen. This one bearing, same hub coming front side back side bearing. You see this one bearing. This 3 type chair coming in engine. One this type coming 24 model, one this type coming and one this type coming. Check, this 3 type engine chair coming. This one another engine kursi downside coming. Check, everyone, you see this one rear coming, this mountain. Everyone, you check this one door motor, this one brick booster. Check, RAV4 brick booster. This one all, everyone, you see this one brick booster. Water tank, this one great water tank. One small coming, one largest coming. This one small and this one largest water tank. Another, this one radiator complete. Check, radiator, this one complete radiator for RAV4 car, complete radiator. Check, you see this one radiator. This one steering airbag. There's 2 type coming. Check, one old model, one new model. This 24, this 20. This one airbag, steering airbag. You see this one self check, self this type. And self this one compressor, you see this one compressor. Everyone, this kilometer you check, everyone kilometer with RAV4 car Excel. Another, everyone coming this one